The Doolittle Master Dump Trailer is designed to handle any type of load with ease. This trailer is 14 feet long with a weight rating of 14,000 pounds. Other models can be ordered with varying sizes and capacities. Operating this trailer is as simple as pushing a button on the wireless or corded remote controls. Loading equipment is also easy with the 6-foot self-store ramps. A lockable box at the front protects the battery and provides storage. Midco Sales is the Doolittle dealer in Arizona. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about the Master Dump Trailer.